Good morning, everybody. Jess from Rush Bucket Valley Garage here. We have a customer problem this morning that we had to go to Palm Springs to fix. We have a broken taillight. So to take and replace the broken taillight, we have to take the four clips out of the inner protector here at the back of the vehicle, and then we take and push back the little insulation panel here, and there are four of these screws. If you take and look at the other piece, it will take and give you an idea of how it's mounted. So we went on eBay and we got another part because we needed one that was not broken like that. You can take a look at the mounting parts that are on here. There are 1, 2, 3 places where it is mounted. So we're going to get the ratchet after this. It's either going to be 10 millimeters or 7/16. So the reason we decided to take and go with the used part from eBay was because a new part was $498 and this one was about $100 including shipping. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the other one ready to be replaced. So what we've done is we've taken the piece out, which is this one right here with the wiring harness on here, and there is a little rubber grommet where you can pull the whole wiring harness out, and then you can take and work on that no problem. So you do all your changes over right here. So we've taken all the electrical components and we've moved them over to the new unit, so everything's kind of self-explanatory. They just twist and pull and come out. So we're going to go ahead and go back in to the vehicle. Okay, so we have the new tail light that is installed, fits perfectly. On these bolts on the inside here, don't use an impact wrench on them. Please hand tighten them up and then give them just half a nugga. Okay, and then so we're going to go ahead and we're going to put this plastic guard back on here, and there's a couple of these little Christmas trees that have to go on there, and there are 2 nuts, and then we'll be done. So hopefully I've given you a little bit of information on how to take and change a tail light. This was just a collision to the tail light. So as you can see, there's a hole in here. So a piece is still there. So this is going to go in the trash for us. But yeah, it's an easy way to take and get parts. Easy way to take and change it over, make your car look real sharp. Okay, I hope you have a wonderful day. We are going to have a warm one out here in Palm Springs because we have 3 other jobs out here today. So maybe we get some videos, maybe not. Depends if it's interesting. Anyway, Jeff from Rush Bucket Valley Garage. Please subscribe and hit the like button. If you notify, you will be the first one to know when we do something new. Okay? In the meantime, enjoy the mountains. We'll talk to you later.